Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Ononyane weche mag siasa ni riwruok mar Azimio la Umoja odhi nyime gi soko wang' jandik duond buche pacho ka endi men Anne Nderitu magiwacho ni dhi ataro gi chik. Azimio oseyo Nderitu ewi midhiero mokwako duond bura mar Jubilee. Kaka jafwambo marwa Eric Owenga lero, Azimio bende wuoyo ewi digni mar twak e kindgi kod Kenya Kwanza masani chalo ni ogore Luanda.
Kelo kanyakla tero mar Azimio e kadak ma Karen bang' seche bura ma puodo wach jotelogo ne obedo kod ote ni jandik duond buche ma Thurka Mikai Anne Nderitu.
The registrar of political parties, Mrs. Anne Nderitu, must leave office in view of clear manifestations that she has been co-opted into partisan and illegal schemes by Kenya Kwanza to cripple instead of protecting political parties.
So we see the registrar of political party on a very interesting mission here to hunt for reasons to just kill political parties in this country. Clearly, we saw her backdating letters. This is a printout of the time and the date the email was sent. The email was sent on the 22nd of May. That is Monday. At 8 o'clock in the night after the NDC, but the letter is dated 19th of May.
Duond bura mar Jubilee osebedo kod tungni mar telo sema Azimio bio ewi jandik duond buche ma Thurka.
Falsifying government documents is a criminal offense, and this lady is clearly guilty of criminal offense. She has continued to falsify those documents, and that is what has sustained this unnecessary coup attempt that you see that have become part of entertainment every day.
Kendo ne gichiwre mar kedo adwa tenga ni duond buche mag Azimio.
Kenya Kwanza must make no mistake that Azimio will do everything possible to protect its affiliate parties from these heinous attacks. We ask all Kenyans to join us in protecting multi-party democracy, for which many Kenyans lost their lives. 5, all Jubilee Party members of Parliament who have crossed the floor and joined Kenya Kwanza must go for by-elections.
Kata kamano, Azimio toni Kenya Kwanza chalo ma okoikre ne twak mane geto tieko midhiero mane gichwalo. Gisingo chiwo ler jumanyien mar kawo okang' ma gidhi kawo kotende gi twak makamano.
Kenya Kwanza has no clear direction on whether the talks should proceed or not. Deliberately, they have no clear direction from Mr. William Ruto on how to proceed. 3, Kenya Kwanza sees the talks as a process of managing the political situation, calming down the political temperatures, and continue with business as usual.
Kweth mar Azimio igeno ni biro romo jumanyien tich ariyo mar chiwo pach mogik e okang' ma gibiro kawo tok twak pande gi bede kod Kenya Kwanza tore Luanda. Eric Owenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi County.
Kwa mbele